So Derek and I thought it would be a good idea to go golfing while we're here. So we booked at the Marina golf course. They require you have a handicap card, which we both don't have. So they make you pay $10. They test you to make sure you're good enough to be let on the course. So we're hoping we don't choke and they actually let us on. So they make you wear golf shoes. So we rented clubs, rented shoes, bought balls, tees.
Oh, there's a GPS. No. Is there GPS on the cards?
Yes.
Should we use that then?
Up to you.
First hole, not really that good.
Duffed the shit out of my first shot, salvaged the bogey.
This is not how your driver is supposed to look after the first hole.
Alright, we should probably get out of here. The sirens are going. I think that means we should probably get the hell out of here. It actually doesn't look that bad.
Get some tigers out. Who wants a chipping competition? 20 bucks.
So they're saying about half an hour little rain delay. So we're gonna check out the lounge, have a few cocktails while we wait. After about a 20-minute rain delay, we're back on the course. It's still raining, but there's no wind and it doesn't feel like a typhoon is coming. Come back. It's looking nice. That's a good shot. So how do you think you played today, Derek?
A little rusty. Last round was with the boys over in Kentucky, G3T 10, 11. Well, I don't even know what year it was, but course is immaculate. You know, it's a golf cart only kind of course, so fairways were lush, greens were extremely fast, hard, even though it got rained on. But all in all, just happy to be out here golfing anyways.
So we're on our way to dinner. We are doing Indian food tonight. We are in Little India. It's called the Banana Leaf Apollo. We're in Clark Quay. We are going out tonight. It's like a trendy part of town. There's a bunch of bars.